These soft chocolate muffins are made with wheat flour, oats, and jaggery. No maida, no refined sugar, and they are baked right in a kadhai. First, take jaggery powder in a bowl. Take slightly less than 2/3 cup of jaggery powder and pour hot water over it. Mix well until the jaggery dissolves and then set it aside. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup curd and 1/3 cup ghee. Whisk them together until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Now add half cup wheat flour, 1/3 cup oats powder. I simply ground rolled oats into a fine powder. Add 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Then add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give everything a quick mix. Pour the jaggery mixture into it and gently whisk just until you get a smooth and lump-free batter. If the batter looks a little thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix until it reaches a smooth flowing consistency. Now let's prepare the kadhai. Spread a layer of salt on the bottom and place a metal stand inside. I am placing a flat round wire mesh on the top of the stand, the same mesh lid we usually use as a utensil cover. This creates a larger baking surface so I can fit more cupcake liners at once. Fill the cupcake liners about 3/4 full with the batter. Top it off with some rolled oats and chocolate chunks. Place them into the prepared kadhai. Cover the kadhai and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the muffins rise beautifully and a toothpick comes out clean. And that's it. Our Wheat Oats chocolate muffins are soft, moist, and ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Try it and you will not regret.